Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to learn food chain, food web, and ecological pyramid. In this YouTube video, in the last lecture, we learned what is ecosystem. In ecosystem, every component, what are the components? Abiotic and biotic, non-living and living components. Both are interacting with each other. And with the environment. What are these interactions? These interactions are mainly for basic needs of our life. What are these basic needs? Food, water, and shelter, right? So we know that we get water from environment, shelter from environment. From where do we get food? Or where do plants prepare their food? Plants prepare their food with the help of a process called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis requires sunlight, leaf of a plant uses this sunlight and water and carbon dioxide from the air to prepare carbohydrates. In simple terms, it is a food of plants. So, this is how plants prepare their own food material. And these plants are then eaten by some animals. These animals are eaten by some other animals. This is forming a chain of food. Therefore, this is a food chain. We will see various examples of food chain. On land or in forest, there will be plants, deer will feed upon these plants. And who will eat deer? Tiger or lion. This makes terrestrial food chain. Food chain on land. I will just write it down here. Terrestrial food chain. Similarly, in water, whether it is a fresh water or marine water ecosystem, there are phytoplanktons. You can say that these are plants of water. Phytoplanktons are eaten by zooplanktons. Now, what are zooplanktons? Crabs, shrimps, lobsters. Such small organisms living inside water are called as zooplanktons, and these zooplanktons are eaten by small fishes, and these small fishes are eaten by big fishes. This is aquatic food chain. So basically, food chain is a chain of who eats who. Now we have seen two types of food chains, terrestrial and aquatic food chain. So now we will learn grazing food chain. In this food chain, grass is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is being eaten by lizard. And who is eating lizard? Any bird. Any bird is eating this lizard. And snake is eating a bird. Another type of food chain is detritus food chain. This food chain starts with dead organic matter. This dead organic matter is then decomposed by microorganisms. Our body is also made up of organic matter. All the animals' body is also made up of organic matter. So after the death of any animal or a human being or a plant, it can be called as dead organic matter. This dead organic matter is eaten by microorganisms, and microorganisms convert it into simple inorganic substances.